When I tested it the first time, I didn't have this hook on here. This sticks out a little bit, and it goes up, it catches part of the edge there, and then coming down, catches on the book coming down. I'm gonna build a thing so when it hit my roller, it'll push it out and it won't touch none of it.
Okay.
That's the plan anyway.
All right.
Might work, might not. We'll find out shortly.
Okay. Well, Gary's preparing. We got our shingles the other day. They were delivered. And this little roof, we used to have a porch here. Well, I guess it sort of is a porch. It will be tore down after this shingle job, but he's going to use it to get up on the roof and bring the shingles up. So he's actually putting some boards and things to make it a little bit stronger, safer for the weight getting up on there and everything.
I already tested myself on it, so I know it'll hold me.
Well, I'd like to see that.
Well, in case it didn't work, I didn't want you to see it. But yeah. And I'll add another support right underneath here.
Okay.
Small. Just, okay, it's enough like that, but I think it'll extra won't hurt nothing.
Right.
Especially after several trips up and down there, we might start trying to wear.
We're thinking about when we tear this little porch down, putting a roof from the mobile home all the way out to the end of the addition. So it would be roofed in, but that's probably something that we'll think about once we get the roof done, because it's going to take a while just for one person to do this roof.
Especially when they're slow like me.
I don't think you're slow. You just out of practice. You haven't done it in a long time. You haven't done it since the last time.
Oh, that's the last time I did it.
I brought these little antique toys inside Gary's building to put up in the loft. I had them on the back porch, but hopefully maybe one day we'll clean them up and restore them. There you can see this section right here is our addition that we did. It's a 24 by 20 bedroom, but when we built it, the shingles never sealed real well, so we've had trouble with them blowing off. We're on a hill and get a lot of wind. And you can see the mobile home back there behind Gary. And then another addition is over on this side. We got well, we're shingling all of it. Okay, I'm gonna let Gary down. The one on the left. So I just push it.
Sorry, I couldn't help myself. Go ahead.
All right.
Thank you.
Very nice.
So it'll hold me up, so I know it'll hold at least 2 bundles of shingles, and I'm sure it'll hold 4 if I want it, but 3 will be sufficient.
All right.
Okay, I got to put my other cantilever on it and do the spinal adjusting. Then I got to decide if I want to stake that down or just call it good or.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go fix you some breakfast.
Okay, and of course put my little, couple small pieces.